Alright, so with Google Drive you have two options. You can either be working on a Google Drive document um, that lives on the net and is editable by all parties that have got it shared with them. So to do that you click Create, and then you can choose Document, Presentation, Spreadsheet, Form or Drawing. All of those are synced in real time as you're working with the other person. If you want to share a document that is not synced in real time, you're going to need to create a folder. So I'm going to create a folder called Rosters and save it into the Night Service folder. Okay, I'm going to move this updated roster into the Rosters folder. Okay, and I'm going to go back one. Actually, no, I'm just going to share this Night Service folder with Damon. Alright, so now this whole folder is now shared, and Damon's now got access to good pics, images and rosters, as well as anything else that's put in here. Now it's really important when you're working with documents that are not they're not these ones here, that you are working with Google Drive on your computer. So if you haven't already got it on your computer, and you can see the icon there, that means it's updating. If you haven't already got it, you need to click Install Drive for your computer, follow the prompts, download it, install it, type in your username and password, and that will create a folder in your Finder along the side here called Google Drive. Now, if I click on that, it's still syncing, so not everything's here yet. But if I go to Night Service, yeah, it's not there yet, so it's not updated yet. But what you will see is good pics, images, and rosters are all in there. You can see that each of these folders have two people on them. That means that they're shared with different people. Okay, all because Night Service is shared. Okay, so all of these that come under it are shared. So if I go into the rosters one, this document is automatically shared, and anything that's updated within it is as well. So this document, don't just click on it and download it. Okay, if you do that, it's going to save it to your downloads folder, which is not within Google Drive. So if you edit it and save it, it's still going to be in your downloads folder and it's not going to update. So it's really important that when you edit this sort of thing, you don't go in via the web. You open up Finder, you go to Drive, navigate to the folder that's shared with you. This should appear on Damon's as well. And click on Night Service and it will be in there. That's where you open it, that's where you save it to. Once you've saved it, make sure you close it. And once you've closed it, it will update. It'll send it away to Google Drive and it will update the copy that's on the web. That will then be downloaded to anybody else who it's shared with, ready for them to edit as well. Just remember that if you were to go into Rosters, download it, it's not going to update, it's not going to save it. Okay, so it's really important that your working folder is the one in Finder. Okay, and that's a quick run through of how to use Google Drive with docx files. Good luck.